Hello everyone, this is Krina here, or many of you know me as Lai Kwan. So I'm currently at Mount E Novena Hospital, Singapore. I'm here for my appointment. As many of you know, I'm 8 months pregnant, so very close. I'm almost going to see my gynae soon. So I have to come here every week now because it's the last milestone, and just to make sure the baby is all fine before my due date. Yes. So I just want to. This is my first time doing live, by the way. So I hope you will support me. But I guess it's too early probably. So in any case, I'm just going to share whatever I have in mind. I don't have a script. I'm just going to speak. So as I was thinking about this baby, my second one, and it is. I'm very blessed. I'm very, very grateful to have this baby at this age. When I conceived this second baby, I am already 41 years old. So I'm really, really very thankful that I can. And so what I want to say is that I think one of the key reasons I can conceive at this age, and so far it has been a healthy baby, and my gynae is it should be a natural delivery, so fingers crossed, right? And so far so good. So again, very, very thankful. So I think one of the key reasons that I'm able to conceive at this age, at 41, right? And is that I think since young I have been nourished with a lot of good herbs and soups, really since young. And regardless of how busy my mom was, they were running a shop all by themselves. It's the old model, brick and mortar. So they worked like from 7:30 a.m. to 10 p.m. in the shop daily. Hardly rest. So, but still she made sure, there was always a bowl of nice soup for me. And I think that is one of the key reasons why I'm very healthy, and then that leads to today. Now, and so this is one of the key reasons that why I do what I do as well. That I would like to share this knowledge forward, right? I would like more people to have what I have, right? To if you have children, if you have young ones or pregnant, nourish yourself with a natural food like herbs, like soups, right? Tasty, nutritious soups, and that can easily be absorbed by your body. And so the other thing is I have just started a group called Health Secrets with Herbs, and there I want to share a lot more knowledge on herbs and soups, and using herbs as food so that it's easier for everyone to ingest or absorb all these good nutrients into our body through food. I think that's the most easy way, right? And of course it has to be nice, because then that will encourage more incentive for you to take, right? Because most people still go by taste rather than nutrients. So so I really, if you're watching this and or if you think people will benefit from this, just join that group, right? And so over the next few days I will share more about myself, like why I do what I do. And and for now I gotta go for my appointment, and so have a great day. Thank you so much for your support.